It really is the exact size. Hello, tiny reviewer friend. Today I'll be reviewing Mediterranean Flatbread Margherita, La Vie, Gourmand. The secret is in the dough, authentic recipe, ready in 5 to 7 minutes. Cool, it looks pretty small to me. Actually, it's very big. No, look, it's like from the top. 10 units individually wrapped. 10 of them are in here. Upside down, nutrition facts, and ingredients. It contains gluten, milk, and eggs. Cooking instructions using the preheat oven. Product of Turkey. Price is $11.99. Whoa, actual size. This is the actual size. I can eat one of these. Cool, and they're taped. So, Daddy, can you open it? Not exactly right by being the actual size, to tell you the truth. I can eat one of these for sure. Anyway, it's a flatbread anyway. So let's go heat this very long pizza up. But look, it really is the exact size. Not the world's cleanest oven in the world, as you can see by the screen. There are the 3 pizzas that are the flatbread, not the pizza, the flatbread that's in the oven. We have 13 seconds on the clock for the cheese to melt, and then we'll heat it up. So we took the flatbread out and we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes according to the instructions. You heard that sound. Now, we'll see you guys at the round table in 5 minutes. The pizza is like a bridge, flatbread. Look at this, it doesn't even fit on the plate. No matter which direction I do, it always sticks somewhat out. And we can't eat like this, so you need to chop it somehow. So I'm back after I got the cut. Hot potato, hot pizza, no, hot flatbread. Not the best. I'm not eating this for lunch. My father thinks that it's just a plain cheese pizza that has a small tomatoey flavor and it's like a less salty cheese flavor. So today I'm gonna have to make an apple gouda sandwich for my lunch instead of a margherita pizza or a margherita flatbread. And well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please press the subscribe button and meet me on this flatbread table. And I'll see you guys again in my other flatbread video, on my other videos. Bye.